Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates. Hey everyone, this is Anuj Vora here, and in this particular video we are going to talk about Buffett indicator. Now, Buffett indicator shows that how you can predict the country's economy, if the stock market of that particular country is in bull run or the market is cheap. If you buy stocks using this time when the market is cheap, you will get benefit in the long run. And if you buy when the market is expensive, you will not get outstanding returns in the long run too. At the same time, if you buy at expensive and if the market crashes, you may face losses. So therefore, it is extremely important to understand Buffett indicators. Most people in the financial world believe that the Buffett indicator works, and there are many people who do not believe. So it's up to you. And after watching this video, make sure you comment that if you believe in the Buffett indicator or not. So before any further ado, let's get started. So Warren Buffett is a legendary investor. We all know that. He has been in the investment industry for more than 70 years, which is massive. And the net worth of Warren Buffett is more than $100 billion. So with a huge experience in the investment industry, he created an indicator which is called Buffett indicator, and it states that the total market cap of that particular country divided by the nominal GDP of the country into 100, and we get some percentage over there. So it shows that if the percentage you get after using the formula is nearly 50 to 70%, then we can say that the market is cheap. You can invest during this time, and if you stay invested for the long run, you will get outstanding returns. And as the market is cheap, there are more investment opportunities. You may get stocks, you may manage to buy mutual funds at very attractive prices. At the same time, if the percentage is more than 100, then it shows that the market is overvalued. If it goes above 150%, then it is an alarming situation. It indicates that you should stay away from investing in this type of situation. Now, you may ask that what is happening in today's world. So, if we talk about United States first, the Buffett indicator shows that it is more than 195%. That means the US stock market can crash anytime based on Buffett indicators, but we never know when the market will crash. It may take 2 to 3 years too. We never know when the market may crash, right? Now, if we talk about India, the Buffett indicator tells that it is nearly 120%. Therefore, it also shows that Indian stock market is also overvalued, but not that much compared to the United States. Therefore, in the future, whenever you plan to invest, if you just check the Buffett indicator, if you just Google regarding the Buffett indicator of let's say India, United States or United Kingdom or any other country, you will get to know the actual number. And as you get the number, you can assume that if it is the right time to invest or not. Now, it was about like if you have that much time of thinking and doing research and all these things, right? But if you don't have this much time, you can just stay invested for the long run, and here you go. It's that simple to create wealth. Just give more time to your investment. But if you are in the profession of financial world and if you spare some time for your investment, then you should definitely consider doing this kind of research, and you can buy stocks, you can buy mutual funds at very attractive rates. So this was all about Buffett indicators. What do you think about it? Like, if the Indian stock market or the US stock market will crash in 2 to 3 years, or do you believe that it may crash in months? Leave a comment below. I would love to know your opinions. If you need help regarding mutual fund investing, I would be happy to help you. Feel free to check the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.